What's up guys, in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to use transition and effects in your CapCut app. So let's dive in. So guys, for this tutorial we're going to be making transitions for this video. So I don't know if you could see this white line in between these two clips. So you tap on this white line. So these are the transitions you can find on CapCut. So you just have to choose the best one for you. That is the one you prefer. But let me just give you some examples right now. If you are going for the black fade, this is how it is. Then this mix, then and now. For my best transition so far is on light effect. This particular clear tray, I love this transition very well, but I don't know the one you prefer. But there are a lot of transition here. We have the blur transition. We have the glitch transitions, a lot of transitions. You can as well click on apply to all to apply the transition to all the video, just like this. As you can see, the transition has been applied to the video. Let's just see. Then over to the effect. Adding effect on CapCut is very easy. So you just click on this effect here. You can add effect to the body and you can add to the video. So let's start from the video first. You can add auto velocity. You can add zoom to zoom your video. You can add this shiny effect. Just play around with the effect you get. I'm sure you have seen most videos where they start the video with a kind of opening. You can add those opening on effects. So let's see this one. As you can see, this is how it is. So you just play around with the effects. Alright, if you want to learn how to add slow motion, how to make slow motion, check out this video.